Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Dewi Putri Hartono. I'm from class 10 Science 8 Group 3. I will read the definition of a narrative text. Narrative text is kind of the text to retell the story that past tense. The purpose of the text is to entertain or to move the readers or listener about the story. Indonesia meaning is narrative text adalah cerita non-fiksi yang bisa berbentuk dongeng, mitos, cerita rakyat, cerita binatang, dan lain sebagainya. They are for generic structure. Structure is orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ramadhani. I am from Grade 10 Science 8. I will here explain the structure of the narrative text. 1. Orientation is provides setting and introduce participants. Orientation usually are not paragraph 1, so don't forget who, when, and where in the orientation on narrative text. Yes. 2. Complication is located after orientation is the complete. Complication cause of paragraph description. The beginning of problem. The beginning of this problem also begins in series on plot storyline, which will that continue on the paragraphs, climax and anticlimax. The story generally complete contains integration between events. This interest created a conflict or conflict. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Riwayone. I am from Science 8. I from Group 3. Will continue from my friend earlier. Resolution is a paragraph that becomes the end of the story. In this section, there is a statement that makes the storyline end. Every problem that arises must be resolved, can be closed with a happy ending or a sad ending. The orientation is the closing sentences that tells less condition of the character in the story or moral message of the story. Then next will be continued by my friend.
Hello guys, my name is Naya Saria from class MIPA 8. I will tell narrative story with the title is The Legend of Surabaya City. Here's the story. A long time ago, there were two animals, Sura and Baya. Sura was the name of a shark and Baya was a crocodile. They live in the sea. Once Sura and Baya were looking for some food. Suddenly, Baya saw a goat. Yummy! This is my lunch, said Baya. The next part will continue by my friend. Goodbye.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Hilmi Paujan. I'm from class MIPA 8. I will continue the story of the legend of Surabaya City. Here's the continued story. No way, this is my lunch, said Sura. Then they fought for the goat. After several hours, they were very tired. Feeling tired of fighting, they lived in different places. Sura lived in the water and Baya lived in the land. The border was the beach, so they will never fight again. That's my continued story. Next will be continued by my friend. See you guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Pararepianto. I'm from Grade 10 Psych 8 Group 3. I will read about the definition of narrative text. One day, Sura went to the land and looked for some food in the river. He was very hungry and there was not too much food in the sea. Baya was very angry when he knew that Sur broke the promise. They fought again. They both hit each other. Sura beats Baya's style. Baya did the same thing to Sura. He beat very hard until Sura finally gave up and went back to the sea. Baya was happy.
Structure from text narrative legend to legend of Surabaya city is orientation from text is a long time ago until they lived in the sea. Complication from text is once Sura and Baya were looking food until they promised would never fight again.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naila Indreni Nazira. Aspects of the story above are from the text. There are aspects or future language of narrative text. First, using time conjunction, there are 1. Sura and Baya. 2. Suddenly, Baya saw a god. 3. Then they fought for the god. 4. Sura went to the land and looked for some food. 5. Very hungry and there was not much food in the river. 6. So they would never fight again. The second, using adverb of time. 1. A long time ago, there were 2 animals. 2. After several hours, they were very tired. 3. One day, Sura went to the land. That's all from me. Next will be continued by my friend Iza Rinrin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rinrin Apitasari. I will continue with the aspect of narrative text. 3. The first person, I or we. The second person, or the third person, he, she, they. You are the second person. They lived in sea. They fought for the god. They were very tired. They would never speak again. He was very angry. He now so broken the promise. They but he shut up there.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dendi Aditya Pratama from class 10 Science 8 Group 3. I will read a moral tell you of narrative text, a title to Legend of Surabaya. Moral value of Surabaya legend are never broke the promise that you've made and don't be greedy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.